Hello guys, it's me, Franz, and um, we I just uh, I just uh, I just took a bath, and after I took a bath, um, me me family ate dinner, and tonight I took a Sunday. Yeah 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 yeah. So I'm outside, and I'm going to I'm going to close the. I forgot to close the door, and I closed the light. I turn off the light. Now I'm back. Yes. So tired. Yeah, 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 yeah. So um, Mar. I I did this video because I ran Francis. Sandra is not here. Yeah, that's me. He's always my. I'm, yeah. So on our bed. Oh, I'm on my sister's bed, and tomorrow I wish I was here tomorrow so that we can film and play because it's so boring here when they're not here. I am not I'm doing anything like I want. Yeah. Um, I'm so excited. I'm excited for Wednesday because me, my sister, and my mommy are going to the mall. I think. I'm not sure about that, but I think we're going to the mall so that my sister can buy a dresses for her work. And but I'm not sure if it's true that my dad is going to eat with. Yeah, I wish I could go with my daddy, but the last time we the last time that we go there, bathroom the bathroom is so scary for me, and I imagine that if I go with my dad to eat with, how could I change my clothes if it's only me? So I told my dad that no, a while ago he told me that I'm going to go with him, but I realized that how can I change my clothes um if the bathroom is so scary for me. And yeah, we only have one earplugs, but if I'm going to use that if I go with my dad. And yeah, yeah. So if my dad left our house at Wednesday, so that means me, my mom, and my sister are going to the mall. Yeah, I'm so excited. Hmm. Um, summer is almost over. That's why I want to go with my dad. But yeah, I realized that how can I change my clothes if the bathroom is so scary for me? I have to call my dad or my other or his others office mates, and my dad is so embarrassed for that. So my dad is going to be embarrassed if I'm going to do that. And yeah, I realized that I'm not going to go with my dad. I'm going to go with my mother and my sister. And yeah, this is the first time that we didn't go to any family bonding, only in our mini pool. Yeah, only in our mini pool. And my sister's graduation. That's only our bonding. We didn't swim. We didn't go any. Yeah, we didn't go to the swimming pool or other places that have a swimming pool. And this summer is so bored. I wish we were I wish we were millionaire. Yeah, I wish we are really so. I wish we are millionaire. But at Wednesday, we're going to the mall. I'm going to wear this. Yay! Oh, if you can see it. No, you can see it. I'm so sorry. And yeah, I'm just doing nothing. I'm bored. This I'm so bored. Ouch. If you can, if you can hear my sister talk in Tagalog, because you know we live in the Philippines, and she said, "Oh, mama, gusto ko dyan." Yeah, and she hear that I and yeah, this my sister is here. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, my birthday to you. Summer so bored. I'm sure. I wish this family is millionaire so we can go whatever so we can go outside, we can swim. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, my head bumps. I bumped my head on this thing in here. I said, I had my, I bumped my head in this thing in here, and it's hurt. I, I instant replay, and I did this times two hurt, and yeah, I posted in Instagram that, detailing kids, mama. Wait a minute, my mother's calling me. So, as I said, my I post a picture of Kitty's Mama and Brutili, and I said that I'm watching Brutili every morning and I'm watching Kitty's Mama every night. And every night or every evening before to sleep, I'm watching Brutili when I wake up in the morning. I got my tablet and I watch Brutili while taking my breakfast. watching daily while doing nothing. Well, I work for daily, so bye. See you tomorrow. Bye. See you tomorrow. I'm tired. I'm going to sleep. Bye bye. This is my stuffed toys. Bye.